Everyone, my name is Patel. So here I would like to announce that I will be running the fourth Sohra International Half Marathon this year in elite category. So hope you all practice well, hope you all preparing well for this race. This is the wonderful opportunity for all those runners from our state, Meghalaya. Especially this race will be happen in one of the most beautiful places on earth, that is Sohra. So guys, I hope you all prepare, and I hope you all know that the weather in Shillong is quite preferable for the race. So hope so all of you coming here in Shillong, you will enjoy it and you will have a good race. So I wish you all a very best and hope to see you all perform well. This is a very good course as well for the half marathon and 10k. It's a very fast course, so hope you all will perform well on the day, and I hope to see you all doing well. So I wish you all the best and thank you.